Hey guys, just another quick video. Just for the fun of it, I tracked down some blisters, some 3-pack blisters. So I've got on hand one Sun and Moon Guardians Rising 3-pack blister with the Turtonator, and I've managed to get 6 of the Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. So I'm going to crack them open and just see what sort of odds we get. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, let's start cracking them open and we'll see what we get. I'll open them all first.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through.
And I'll leave the Guardians Rising to last, so we'll start with the Burning Shadows. First pack, let's see what we get. We got the reverse Araquanid. Oh, that's a hard one to spit out. Second pack. I see something shiny in here. Let's see what we've got. We have got a reverse Caterpie and a hyper rare Laszlo. That into the sleeve. We'll do a nice little close up here. See if we'll focus. There we go. Hyper Rare Laszlo. Second pack Hyper. All these cards will be up for sale at a later date on my Facebook page, so I'll put that in the description for a link. That way you guys can head over and have a look at what we have to offer on the Facebook page. So basically what we're trying to do here on this channel is everything that I open, since I open bulk and I sell all of the singles, I just thought it'd be interesting to get into the YouTube sides of things, so everyone can enjoy. Oh, we've got the Lycan Rock Hollow, so everyone can enjoy seeing what sort of stuff we get, and it'll give you a rough idea as to what sort of odds we've been getting out of the boxes as well. It's always nice to see what sort of box odds you get, or in this instance, blister pack. Here we go. Speed right through. There's nothing in that one. Really hope we get to see a Tapu Lele out of our 3 Guardians Rising. That would be brilliant, but not promising anything. Power through these ones. Rhyhorn reverse. Speed the video along a bit. So whenever I get some sort of stock in and I go to open it, I will be doing the videos. We've got a Lunatone reverse and a Ninetales. Don't forget, if you do like these videos, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, or if you want to see something done differently in our videos, just leave a comment in the comment section below. we are going to be trying different types of videos out to see what most people like to see. So we'll try all different types of things. So we don't know what you like unless you let us know. We've got a Raichu Holo out of that pack. So we're about halfway through now of the Burning Shadows. Just the one hit so far. Nothing too flashes come of since. We've got Sneasel Reverse. Oh, and we've got the Muck GX. There we go. Get a sleeve for that one. Side sleeve. Alright. One Alolan Muck GX. That can join the Salazzle. There we go. That one did not open very nicely at all. Got the Lycanroc Reverse. So let me know what you guys think of this lot of openings. If you think it was good, if you think it was bad, what you think of my luck. At the moment, I'd say it's below average if you're focusing on the sort of box odds. But I can't complain because there is a Salazzle GX Hyper and a Zygarde Holo. It's all out of the enjoyment. We've got 2 packs left of Burning Shadows to go. Wonder if we can redeem ourselves with the Guardians Rising. I hope so. A Tapu Lele would be lovely right about now. And a Polar Sand Holo. Plenty of Holos coming out. So this is the last pack of the Burning Shadows. That's the last pack of Burning Shadows. Just a recap for the Burning Shadows. We got the Salazzle GX Hyper. And we got the Alolan Muck. Regular art. Plenty of Holos, but nothing really fantastic. I'm going to swap out and I'm going to let my partner Vanessa take over and see if she can have the Tapu Lele luck. Alright guys, well we missed on the Guardians Rising, so that's it for now. In the next few days we'll have some more videos coming out with some more stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon.
And now it's just like, man, you got to have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race. Like.